Welcome back, Knotty here. So I got the bench tops and the aprons turned around so they're faced up, and I can kind of look at some of the joinery as far as laminations, and I've got a couple problems that probably can pull together with clamps if you can put enough cheater bar on them. But all in all, not too bad. Got my gaps spaced in here for my divider board. That's 2¼ inches. I'm going to look at actually squaring up some of these ends, taking off some of this raw material here at the end here, that especially this one here is looking pretty ragged. Get my final dimensions on these today and re-dry clamp them again. You can see over here on this side here, the apron, it stands down about 6 inches. Exactly 6 inches, and the top itself is 3 inches. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to put my vise on there yet. I did pull it out. I got it sitting over there and looked at it, but it is still on this front apron here. It's a twin screw type deal. Got to make sure that those screws have enough clearance to come through here and not run into this top, or I'm going to have to dado that out a little bit on the bottom, which wouldn't be a big deal to do that. So I think the task for today will be to get my measurements and get these things hacked off where they need to be along these edges here, and get them squared, make sure they're nice and square so I can do some joinery on them, and determine that my pieces are the ones I want the way they're sitting and everything too. Then do another dry run, make sure everything kind of fits together okay, and then I can start looking at marking and cutting some joinery on the top of this. Hopefully we'll get some progress on this. Another hot one here today in Florida. Just had a thunderstorm move through. Seems like about 2 or 3 a day is what we've been getting, but other than that, maybe I'll give another update here a little bit later and see if I actually got some of this done, or if I just pooped out on it, because these things are a beast to move around. But Knotty out. We'll talk with you soon.